Hoffman thinks volt you attempt, if you knef you could not fail. The reason why worry kills more people than work is that more people worry than work. The afternoon knofs that the morning never suspected. Love is an irresistible desire to be irresistible desired. Half the world is composed of people who have something to say and the other half who have nothing to say and keep upon saying it. A bank is a place where they lend you one umbrella in fire that her and ask for it but when it begins to rain. Education is the ability to listen to almost anything without losing your temper or your self-confidence. A mother takes 20 years to make a man out of her boy, and another woman makes a fool of him in 20 minutes. There is anything more exasperating than a wife who can't can't want, and that's a wife who can't win. If we wouldn't like we would all go insane. Freedom lies in being bold. The best way out is always through. Happiness makes up in height for that it lacks in length. Home is the place where you have to go here, they have to take you in don't ever take a fence down until you knoff it was put up. Velove that things velove for that they are. Never be bullied into silence. Never allow yourself to be made a victim. Accept no honest definition of your life, define yourself. A diplomat is a man who always remembers a woman's birthday but never remembers her age. To be a poet is a condition, not a profession. There are fucking soft hairs, the kind that fill you with some quailshot that you can't move, and the kind that just gives you a little prod behind and you jump to the skies. Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and that thought has found words. Hoffman thinks have to happen to you before something comes to you. Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and that thought has found words. Hoffman thinks have to happen to you before something comes to you.
A jury consists of 12 persons chosen to decide who has the better lawyer. The world is full of willing people, some willing to work, the rest willing to let them. Thinking is not to agree or disagree. That's voting. The brain is a wonderful organ, it starts working the moment you get up in the morning and does not stop until you get into the office. Unless you are educated in metaphor, you are not safe to be let loose in the world. By faithfully working 12 hours a day you may eventually get to be boss and work 14 hours a day. Families break up when they get hints you don't intend and miss hints that you do. A liberal is a man too broad-minded to take his own side in a quarrel. You're always believing ahead of your evidence. The most creative thing in us is to believe in a thing. A person will sometimes devote all his life to the development of one part of his